fairness po.
Kasi Rose, it's
Habang
really not my business.
It's
It's between Diego and his mom.
Wildflower.
So ayaw po natin na hanggang maaari
Sa ngayon,
makisaw-saw dyan
siksik-sikin
kasi
natin ang bango.
wala po tayong kinalaman. But I really love Diego. My kids are very proud and they love Diego. I'm just here to support him. And nandito kami, nagmamahal sa kanya.
Maraming yung suporta mo na kayo.
Ever since naman kasi, I'm really very close to Diego and Teresa. And parang punta sa bahay yan, nakikipaglaro ng PS4 at VR sa mga kapatid niya sa akin. And dumaan yan nung New Year sa akin kasi si Teresa was in Australia. Oo, talagang mahal namin yan. Napakabait na bata niyan.
So
Napakabait.
nararamdaman mo yung pain, yung hugot na, yung lalim ng hugot kasi.
Of course, as a tita and someone close to him, syempre, malungkot ako sa nangyayari. I'm really very worried about him. But in touch naman ako with Teresa.
Nagkausap na kayo?
Ni Diego. Yung mga kapatid niya texted him. And yeah, I also messaged him.
Pero what do you say about this allegation na parang may
Nagsa-drugs ako.
Nandun naman yata lahat sa kanyang mga statement ang sagot tungkol doon.
Pero ikaw bilang
Naniniwala ka ba?
naniniwala ka ba?
Naku, mahirap nating wag niyo na akong i-involve. Basta mahal ko si Diego at mahal ko si Teresa.
Yung pag-post ni Cesar nung yung situation, yung paying for the tuition fee na your daughter. As a mother, how do you feel about this?
That happened a few months ago, di ba? I think it's his obligation as the father, and I never denied that he's paying for the tuition fee. It was ordered by the court, actually.
Things like that kailangan by post sa social media?
What do you think, guys? Ako, I cannot answer So kayo na lang ang bahalang magsalita if it's right or
Siya
wrong.
yung very close to Diego, no? Kasi maliban sabi ko, matagal na rin nakinig talaga yung sa bata. Ngayon lang talaga niya nasabi na
Wala kayong narinig. Kahit
ngayon nga
sa
talaga.
bata. So,
Parang napuno na lang daw talaga.
siguro, well, I guess lahat ng tao ay may hangganan ang magiging tahimik.
Thank you po.
Salamat.